How to football preparing for the game. Football is America's most popular sport. For people who play and coach the sport, there are a number of principles and tricks you can follow to increase your chances of winning a game. Others are decisions you can make during the game. This video is for American football, so if you are looking for information on association football, soccer, instead, check out how to play soccer. Step 1. Prepare yourself for different situations. There are some areas that you can expect regularly, like third downs, short yardage, or the red zone. Have a clear idea of what you want to do in these circumstances, and practice them regularly so you can be confident when those moments arise. Step 2. Keep focused on your role. With 22 different people running around on each play, plus many coaches shouting instructions, there is a lot of information. Make sure you are clear on what you are supposed to be doing in any given situation. Focusing on your role and your actions will allow you to remain calm and perform them to the best of your abilities. Step 3. Study your opponents. Make sure you also take time to study yourself. If you have already played a game, watch yourself to identify mistakes and areas to improve. You will probably need to focus on bad plays, as those are areas you will need to improve. Of course, if you are coaching, showing a few good plays to highlight successes is important for building morale and confidence as well. Step 4. Look for ways to disguise your plans. Just like you are watching the other team, they are scouting you, and unless you are far more talented than your opponents, you won't be able to get away without something unpredictable. Look for different formations or shifts you can run, and study your patterns to vary plays and techniques. Anything unexpected for your opponents makes it more likely to get a big play. Step 5. Find distractions before and after the game. You will spend plenty of time in practice getting ready for your opponent and finding ways to win. Make sure you take some time before and after the actual game to do something else to distract you from the moment, and give your mind a rest. This will help you relax, and can make your focus during the game that much better. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.